Hey everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Tiff from Tiff's Take and today I'm going to be reviewing Green Chef's blackened shrimp with aioli, sauteed collard greens, bell pepper, and celery pecans. So this meal caters to both keto and paleo diet. It's also gluten-free. Nutrition facts are 500 calories per serving and 7 grams of net carbs. For the ingredients, we have white shrimp. Now it's the same ingredients in both bags. So we have pecans, collard greens, bell pepper, paprika Dijon aioli, cloves of garlic. This is so cute. It's such a change from having to get the whole I forgot what they're called, but the whole thing of garlic. Instead they just sent the little prepackaged cloves. Tomato, celery, and blackened, sorry, the words are blackened spice blend. Okay. So again, the card says just double up on the measurements for it makes sense, so let's get it done. Okay. So first things first, small diced green bell pepper into pieces about 1/4 inch each. Then small diced celery into pieces about 1/4 inch each. Then remove and discard any thick center stems from collard greens. Roughly chop leaves into bite-sized pieces. Okay. Next, roughly chop pecans if necessary. No, these are already done. Medium diced Roma tomato into pieces about 1/2 inch each. And it says minced garlic. Okay, all done with that. Next step, start veggies. Heat about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large saute pan over medium heat. Add bell pepper and celery to hot pan. Then it says season with about 1/4 teaspoon salt and a pinch of pepper. Cook 2 to 3 minutes or until veggies begin to brown, stirring occasionally. Okay, so the peppers are browned. Finish veggies. Add collard greens, pecans, and 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to add 1/2 cup. Bring to a simmer, cook 3 to 5 minutes or until collards are wilted and liquids cook off, stirring occasionally. Salt and pepper to taste, stir to combine. So then it says for the shrimp, you're gonna rinse them off, which I already did, and then pat it dry. So then we're gonna move the veggie mixture once it's ready. And then more oil. And it says season with blackening spices and about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add the shrimp to the hot pan, cook 3 to 5 minutes or until shrimp are fully cooked, stirring occasionally. Then add tomato and garlic, stir to combine, cook 1 minute or until garlic is fragrant, stirring occasionally. Okay, step number 5, once the shrimp is cooked, divide sauteed collard greens and bell pepper between plates, top with blackened shrimp, drizzle with paprika, Dijon, aioli to taste, and enjoy. So, I'm gonna finish off the shrimp, plate everything, and then I'll be back for the tasting. Okay, so here we are with the final product. You'll see the picture in the thumbnail. It's still a little bit hot, but that's fine. So this took about 25 minutes to make. I super love making shrimp because it cooks so fast. So I'm just gonna drizzle some of this aioli sauce on it. Okay. And then I've got the collard green mixture at the bottom and the shrimp is on the top. So let's give it a shot. Not sponsored, not sponsored. Excuse me. I don't know. The collard green mixture it's good, flavorful. I like the crunch of the pecans, but it has like that green leafy aftertaste, kind of like if you were chewing on grass. But together with the shrimp, you can't taste it. The shrimp is good, cooked to perfection. I think it needs a little bit more salt. But it's really good. I feel like it could have been better if it were like a Cajun blend instead of a blackened spice blend. But all in all, I would give this an 8 out of 10. Major points because it was so quick. But I don't know, that green leafy business. Yeah, I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. I don't taste the garlic. I don't taste the anything other than the collard greens and the shrimp. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt, and then I'll leave in the description what the guys thought. That's all I have for you guys today. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload my next video. I'll see you guys at the next review. Y'all have a good night. Toodaloo.